How to see sent friend requests on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app and click Friends in the lower part of the screen. Then click See All and click the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen beside the search button. Now you will see View Sent Requests. When you click that, you will now see all of the friend requests you sent since you made your Facebook account. As you can see here, mine is 402 friend requests. Now you can also choose to cancel it if you want to remove it, if that person hasn't responded to your request for a long time and you want to delete it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.